When you're trading penny stocks, one of the most important considerations is liquidity. Penny stock markets are infamously inconsistent. For a couple months they can be hot, and then they can slow down and there aren't too many opportunities. If you want to find the best opportunities, you have to look for liquidity. Liquidity simply means the ease with which you can buy and sell shares. For example, if you have to wait 5-10 minutes for an order to be filled, the stock isn't very liquid. If you can get in and out of positions with ease, then the stock would be considered liquid. With all penny stocks, you should make sure you have this liquidity because it represents an interest in the stock. If people are interested in the stock, it will show up in the stock's volume and trade count. You want people to be interested in the stock if you're going to trade it because this is where the real opportunity comes in. Buying pressure can push a stock price up, and selling pressure can push it down. Today, we're going to look at 3 very simple ways you can find the most active penny stocks using the Scanz platform. Let's get started with the Easy Scanner. Click on the Easy Scanner option on the Scanz Launchpad window. The Easy Scanner window gives you a bird's eye view of the entire stock market. It sorts through thousands and thousands of data points and helps you find the best trading opportunities in a couple of seconds. To set this up, let's start by choosing the OTC markets where the majority of penny stocks trade. I will unselect the other markets and then continue building my other filters. Under stock type, we can keep them all selected, and then we'll move to filters. We'll sort for stocks that have 5% change or higher, and we can also add a filter for number of trades. So we'll put in 100 trades, which means that the stock has at least 100 trades during the day. When I click filter, I can see all these options, and they're sorted by the number of trades. If you don't have a number of trades column, simply right-click on the column headers, click Insert Column, and add the Trades column. Now we have a basic list of the most active stocks trading on the OTC markets. For example, right here I can see OWCP has almost 3,000 trades, and it's up over 50% on the day. If I continue to scroll down, I can see Fannie Mae is trading about 2,000 trades plus and is up over 6% on the day. I can continue scrolling through this list and I see opportunities where stocks have gone up 20%, 80%, 100%, and this shows me where the real action is. I can cross-reference these percent changes with the number of trades to see if there's actually liquidity. We can continue to add other filters to fit our personal trading styles. For example, if I only wanted to trade stocks that were priced under $1, I would set the maximum current price to $1. I'll click Filter now, and you'll see that got rid of Fannie Mae, and we're only seeing stocks priced under $1. Now, it's still up to you to go through these opportunities, look at the charts, look at why they're up, and now you can save yourself the time of following slow, illiquid penny stocks where you just end up staring at a level 2 screen for hours on end without any changes. So that's how you find the best penny stocks in the Easy Scanner. It's really that simple. The next option we'll look at is a little bit more customizable. We'll load up the Pro Scanner. The Pro Scanner is a bit more hands-on. You can add as many different criteria and filters as you'd like, and we'll start building a scan specifically for penny stocks. So once again, I'll make sure all stock types are selected, and then I can choose to select only the OTC markets. However, I'm going to keep these selected for now in case there's any good cheap stocks trading on the other markets. Now the first thing I'll do is add a price analytic that shows me stocks priced under $1. Now I added that last price is less than or equal to 1. That will show me every stock trading under $1, but obviously we want to find the most active stocks. So to do that, I will create a new rule, and I will say show me stocks where the liquidity number of trades is greater than 200. So now I will see every single stock that is trading under $1 and has over 200 trades on the day. The last rule I want to add is for volatility. For example, a stock may be priced under $1 with over 200 trades, but it may only be up 1 or 2%, which doesn't offer a great trading opportunity. So what I'll do is I'll click Add New Rule. I will choose an analytic. Price data, percent change, is greater than or equal to 5. So if we run that scan now, we can see all of these options that we can trade. And we're seeing some that we didn't see in the easy scanner window because we opened this up to other markets. For example, I can see INPX is up over 167% on the day with over 200,000 trades. This might be one of the best stocks to trade today because of both the volume and the volatility. I could continue to scroll through this list and find as many trading opportunities as I wanted. What I would do from here is click on the ticker to load up my chart montage window. So when I click on that, I can start seeing the different opportunities. Now I can take a look at INPX and see why it is that they're running. I can look at the chart, I can change the window, and of course I have full charting functionality so I can add indicators if I wanted, and I can look at how the stock's doing intraday. I can see that the stock ran up a bit, pulled back, and now it's looking to make another run. This is a great stock to keep an eye on and one that I might keep on radar for the rest of the day. So, as you run each of these scans, you can click through all of the different stocks and see which ones are worth adding to your intraday watch list. I'm going to show you one more way to find hot penny stocks throughout the day. We'll navigate over to the Breakouts window to load that up. Now, the Breakouts window is a real-time trade alert window that provides different types of trade alerts on autopilot. It takes about a minute to set up the filters, and then you'll be getting actionable trade alerts throughout the day. So I'll start by selecting the markets, and once again, I'm going to leave all of these checked. Same with the stock types, and I'm going to add a filter for stocks under $1, and I'll add a trades filter for stocks with over 200 trades. Once I click filter now, the future alerts will use those settings. From there, I can choose the different types of alerts I want to find. So I can choose some new highs, so I might want to find stocks hitting a new day high and a new yearly high. I can add new lows and do a similar setup, new daily lows and new yearly lows. I can also add price breakouts, and a price breakout is a breakout of the moving average. So if a stock breaks over its 20-day moving average, I'll get an alert. So I want to set those for 20 and 60 days. And you can check as many of them as you'd like, but if you check too many, the alerts will be redundant and a little bit less actionable. For example, if a stock breaks above its 20-day average, it might break over its 30-day average next, and I might not need 2 alerts for that. The next option is volume breakouts, and this can be great for stocks that are experiencing abnormal volume. You've probably seen something like this on a chart before, where a stock it has almost no volume on the trading day, and then all of a sudden the orders just start coming in, and that's something we want to be aware of. If I select 20-day average, the breakout scanner will show me stocks that are breaking above their 20-day average volume. So I'll set that, and then I'll also set a 10-day one to keep track of stocks that are breaking out of their 10-day average volume rate. The last thing I can do is create a block trade scanner, and we'll create a separate video just for this because there's a lot you can do with it. But this basically tells you whenever an abnormally large order comes through. So for example, if you're trading a 10-cent stock and the majority of the orders come through at, let's say, 5,000 or 10,000 shares, the block trades alert can tell you if an order comes through at 100,000 shares, which signifies a higher interest in the stock. It may indicate that somebody is loading up on shares. At the very least, it's interesting. Now that I've set that up, you can see these alerts coming through, and you can see this stock TTNP continues to break above its daily high, so that might be one we want to look at. We see a couple of volume breakouts. We see a new day low, and this will continue to feed real-time trade alerts throughout the day. So if you're an intraday trader, you absolutely want to have this window open. And the same process applies. Go through these, click on the tickers. I can see if I click on that, it loads up the chart. And this is an interesting chart to me. It shows that TTNP is about to break out of this little range it's been in for the past couple of months. So I can have a look intraday. We know that it's setting new highs, and this is certainly an interesting move. So it's one that I might add to the radar for the day. So now you know 3 very easy ways to start finding hot penny stocks that are making moves. You can save hours of time staring at illiquid stocks and start following the action. Best of luck with your trading, and stay tuned for more videos.